आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
When resistors R1 and R2 are connected in a parallel electric circuit, the total resistance is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. This fraction is equivalent to. So it's simple. This question is pretty easy, I should say. It is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 if we solve the fraction in the denominator itself. So it becomes R1 R2. Here it is 1 upon R1. So it becomes like this. You have taken the LCM to be R1 R2. You take it out here R1 R2. You just solve it, and in the denominator part, the numerator we get is R1 plus R2. The denominator which we get is R1 R2. So now what happens whenever we have such type of a symbol or such type of a statement, the denominator which is there comes on the top to become a numerator. So it becomes R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. You see, it becomes R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 because this denominator has gone up to the numerator. Okay, because like take for example, whenever you have 1 upon 4 by 3, so what does this become? It becomes 3 by 4. It simply becomes 3 by 4. 1 upon 4 by 3 means 1 part of 4 by 3. It becomes 3 by 4. So similarly, this says 1 part of R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. So it becomes R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. And so this option D, which is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, this option D becomes our answer. I hope this concept of the denominator becoming the numerator is clear to you. This has been used a lot of times and we use it almost everywhere. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।